Hey there, Reagan Royal second graders. I am so excited to do another math talk with you guys today, another number talk. So let's go ahead and just pop right in and talk about our goal today. So this says over here, goal, I can subtract using multiple strategies. So this is a very similar goal to what we did on Wednesday. And we are going to do something similar in this video compared to what we did on Wednesday. I am going to write a problem on the board and you're going to solve it as many ways as you know how. However, here's the difference. On Wednesday, I was trying to guess what strategies you used, but today you guys are going to be guessing my strategies. I've already solved today's problem, using as many strategies as I know. And I wonder if you would be able to guess all of Miss Brown's strategies. So are you ready to see today's problem? I'm going to go ahead and keep the goal over here. I think I can fit both the math and the goal over here. So today's problem is, I'm looking at my paper, 13 minus 5 equals blank. So I've already solved this using 4 different strategies. So what I want you to do now is go ahead and hit pause and solve this problem using as many strategies as you know. Alrighty, are you back with me? So listen, I am gonna switch this video up just a little bit. On Wednesday, whenever I solved it on the board with a strategy that was on your paper, you showed me moose ears. But today, if I solve the problem over here, like what's on your paper, I want you to beat your arms like a hummingbird. I'm trying to get both of my arms in here, but a hummingbird is just this tiny little bird that's known for flapping its wings really fast. So are you ready to see the strategies that I used? Alrighty, I'm gonna get started. So my first strategy that I used for solving 13 minus 5 was to break up my 5 in order to get to a 10. I'll show you. I broke up my 5 into a 3 and a 2, and I did this by looking at the 3 in 13. Next, to get to a 10, I started at 13 and I said 13 minus 3 gets me to 10. And I crossed out my 3 because I want to keep track of my work. And then I said 10 minus 2, I'm going to cross out that 2, gets me to 8. So I said 13 minus 5 is 8. Are you flapping your arms like a hummingbird? Did you think that this might have been a strategy? If you are flapping your wings like a hummingbird, go ahead and put your arms down and be ready to focus on the next strategy. So I'm going to draw a squiggly line to keep this nice and neat. And on my chair, I'm going to get another color so that this stays organized. Alrighty, are you ready to see the next strategy I used? In this strategy, our box was after the equal sign, but I wonder if some people put the box in the middle. Did you think about it that way? Another strategy that I used was 13 minus blank equals 5. And I'll show you the way that this works when you solve it getting to a 10. So this way, I started at 13 and I said 13 minus 3 gets me to 10. And then 10, because remember, I'm trying to get to 5. I said 10 minus 5 gets me to 5. Are there wings flapping on the other end? Did you think I might use this strategy? If you're flapping your wings, that's great. Go ahead and put your arms down, because I do have one question. Where's my answer? Can you guys point on your screen? Where's the answer in this problem? What numbers over here give me my answer? I'll help you out. It's the 3 and the 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. Because remember, I'm subtracting backwards to get from 3 to 5, and I just made a little stop at the 10 because that's a friendly number. Alrighty, are you ready to see another strategy that Ms. Brown used? Alrighty, I'm gonna grab yet again a different colored expo marker so this stays organized. Finally, I also tried to think of this problem as an addition problem. Did you guys think of it that way? If I were to solve this problem over here, like an addition problem, I would say 5 plus blank equals 13. Did you solve this like an addition problem? So listen, this whole time I've been solving these using the gets me to sign, but when anybody shows their work, do you guys ever show your work using a number line? I'm gonna show you how I did this with an addition, and it's very similar to using the gets me to, it's just using a number line. Watch this. I said, I'm at my 5 over here, and I'm trying to get to 13. So I'm at 5, and I'm gonna try to get to a friendly number 10 by adding. And you know what, just to keep this as precise as I can, the 10's actually more like right here. So if I'm at 5, 5 plus what gets me to 10? Think about that. 5 plus 5. So I'm gonna put my 5 right here. And then once I'm at 10, 10 plus what gets me to 13? 3. Are there wings flapping on the other end? Did you guys solve it this way? You might have solved it on a number line this way, or you might have used the gets me to, but it would look really similar. So listen, if you're flapping your wings, that's great. Go ahead and put your hands down. But can you think, where's the answer? Are you saying the answer on the other end? It's 8, because 5 plus 3 is 8. Alrighty, I have one more way that I solved this problem. Another way to think about this is if this addition problem is already in your bank of facts. So I've got my green to stay nice and organized. If you already knew just like that 5 plus 8 equals 13, or you could have thought of it this way, that 8 plus 5 equals 13. If that's in your bank of facts, I would be able to say 5 plus 8 equals 13, or 8 plus 5 equals 13. So 13 minus 5 equals 8. Are you flapping your wings on the other end? Did you think of the fourth strategy that Ms. Brown might have used? Alrighty, I really hope that you guys enjoyed playing this game with me, and thank y'all so much for stretching your brains with me. Bye!